Hello everyone, I am back with another travel vlog and this time we are flying to the northernmost part of the world, Tromsø. Tromsø is a town of Norway in the Arctic region. This trip is 4 days long. I have planned activities for each day and these activities are really going to be exciting. The first activity is the husky ride. Next is a visit to the Sami village, which is a Norwegian localites village, and the Great Northern Light chase. And of course, we will be doing the city tour too. So stay tuned. So right now we are at the Arctic Circle literally, and this is the aerial view of Tromsø. I am sure you are not able to see anything because neither can I, and it was raining snow when we arrived there and we had spent nearly 20 minutes circling Tromsø in the air. I have never seen so much snow in any airport in my life. First thing first after arrival in Norway is to get the currency, the Norwegian krone. So there is this vending machine right at the exit of the airport where you can pay euros and get Norwegian krone. And since I am traveling in Europe, so I always prefer the public transport, so which is taking me to the Tromsø city from the airport.
Our hotel.
Time for a good night's sleep. So tomorrow we have a long day ahead of us where we will be going for the husky ride. The breakfast buffet in the Scandinavian hotel is also unique. They have a wide variety of seafood like salmon, caviar, etc. We had a sumptuous breakfast and then we headed off to the husky camp.
I just want to high five everyone. Amazing.
Right after our arrival, we wore the Arctic suit and the Arctic boot and we were off for our husky ride. Ours was a non-guided husky ride where the one partner has to sit and the other one has to ride the cart, and this person was giving us the demo.
And when we will be passing the dog yard, please be very careful. We have slippery places, we have a lot of hidden ditches over there, so the best way is following by steps. Okay.
Knowing that the huskies could live in such a hostile environment was something new for me. So, ready for the ride? In the starting of the ride, there was this snow blizzard which literally froze my nose, and I was the one who was riding the cart, and I was kind of thinking that maybe this was the last day of my life. Experience was surreal. And according to me, this is one of the must-do activity if you are visiting the Arctic. These huskies keep taking rest in between. The riders are swapped in the middle.
Now, Pratik is going to lead us in the sleigh.
Finally, after 40 long minutes, we reached our base camp. But stay tuned, there is something more. We then had a walking tour of the base camp where they were showing us huskies which were up for adoption. Those were not husky puppies, rather the huskies which could no longer run were put up for adoption. We then had our lunch in a traditional lavoo. This is a really warm and cozy place where there is fire in the middle, and we have the option to choose from reindeer stew or tomato soup. So I definitely tried the reindeer stew where the reindeer meats are slowly cooked in this big vessel. We also had Norwegian coffee in traditional Norwegian cup.
Eastern part of India.
Okay, wait, which big city is close?
Kolkata.
After the lunch, we headed back to our hotel, and then we had to take rest so that we could go up for the Northern Light hunt. And definitely, I just couldn't stop admiring the Norwegian beauty. So this is all I had seen only in, say, Facebook or some travel pages. That's all for now. So stay tuned for my next travel vlogs. Till then, take care. Bye bye.